Welcome to the WebLedger Office. Is your team communication scattered across WhatsApp, emails, and calls? Is it hard for you to maintain records, track discussion, and manage the files shared, leading to delay in decision making and enhanced in productivity? Well, we have an in-app chat module for you, which allows teams to share files and keep all work-related communications at one place. Once you log into your WebLedger account, select the chat module. This is where you can start interaction with your colleagues, with the employees, and anyone you like. Start chat. And you can make your communication easier now. You also have an option to create new group. Mention the group name. Select all the users that you want to join the group. If you want the group to be private, we have an option that you can enable and create group. This will create a new group. Now you're all ready to start the chat and manage everything at one single place. Thank you for joining in at the WebLedger office.